Oh, no way. Hello. Yo. This trade is very testing. Very testing. All fun and games. All fun and games. Welcome, everyone. We're down to 400. £400 in the build account currently. So we have an hour till news. I don't like where price is going for news, really, but it is what it is. Hey Eric, all right? Yeah, it's going all right, mate. Other than this trade is definitely making this challenging, to say the least. Yeah, it's very frustrating, to be honest, because I've been looking at like the New Zealand futures. We're just trending down. Been looking at the it's Australian, sorry. You're looking at the New Zealand futures trending down on the hourly. All right, it's not great trending, but it's going down. You're looking at the Japanese also trending down, going down. Well, this is going up, and it's annoying because obviously we've still got this gap down here that needs to be filled. And on the 1 minute, there is also gaps here that needs to be filled. So gap here. Another gap down here as well from last night. So what the hell price is doing all the way up here is, well, good question. But we have these gaps that needs to be filled. And I do hope we start going down now, guys, to be honest, because with news, I want to start coming down before news. If we're up here when news is here, then I don't fancy the chances of this account really, because obviously I've over risked on this account on this particular trade because of the gap. Might regret this in a bit. Might regret it, but under normal circumstances, I would never put so many big positions on one trade. I only ever do 2 positions. That's like my rules. But yeah, yo, Julian, my mate. driving home. Yeah, Eric, he is, yeah. Yeah, I don't know how this news is going to impact this New Zealand dollar Japanese yen trade, to be fair. Hopefully keeps it going down. Well, say keeps it going down. It's not gone down since I entered the trade on Monday. But so yeah, the little grey lines, they're boxes. The little boxes, grey lines, they're gaps. I say they need to be filled. Obviously, we've got the big one that needs to be filled, but price wants to keep going higher. But for what reason? Frustrating, to say the least. I've said, like, even last night, hindsight's a wonderful thing. Even last night, I feel like I wish I pulled that profit out. It's up to 780 last night, but if sod's law, you pull your profit out and it fills the gap. That's too squeaky. Too squeaky. What's going on there? Boom. Yeah, the big gap's still open. Yeah, it is still open. That's what I can't get my head around. I don't understand it at the moment. I'm still trying to work it out. Like, you know, we've still got the big gap open. This is, do you know what? This is a flipping great trade to get chucked in on when I'm trying to do this challenge for everybody to see, because you're seeing everything in terms of trading. Like, this is being punishing. But yeah, I mean, from experience, I've seen this formation time and time again. Like how we have that spike, the drop, the other spike, the drop, this spike. I have seen this formation time and time again, and generally, the other side sort of does that 9 times out of 10. But the way this is going at the moment, who knows? We have tapped into supply, so that is a good thing that we have tapped into some form of supply. So, but yeah, it's just one of them guys that I wish it would just turn now. I wasn't expecting another day of this, to be honest. I was not expecting this. I don't think many people were. I know I've seen not people in my group or anything, but I have seen people in other communities buying this. But for what reason? I don't get why you would want to buy when you've got so many gaps to fill below. Chelsea have been charged by the Football Association with 74 alleged agent payment rule breaches from Roman Abramovich era. That is funny. Roman Abramovich era. That was, God, that's got to be over 10 years ago now. More than that, 10, 15 years ago. I think he was in charge of Chelsea. 10, 12 years ago. Here we go. We're getting some nice push down now. I'm liking this. This is what we want. This is what we want. Yes, then, guys. This is institutions. Check the 1 minute. Make sure we're not leaving gaps, and we're not leaving gaps to the upside. So that's a great start. Let's go fill gap number 1. Let's come fill gap number 1. Let's fill gap number 2. And then let's get down to the big lady down the bottom. Gap number 3, please, NJ. Thank you very much. Preferably before the news as well. Would be a bit of a Brucey bonus. But yeah, finally, guys, we're getting some pressure to the downside. We need it. The account's at 400 from exactly where we are now with price. The account is at £487. Does anybody know, by the way, does anyone know if you can get headsets with built-in microphones so I can speak to you through a headset and a microphone rather than like having a flipping microphone attached to me? Does anybody know of anything? Because I'm on the hunt for one. Because the audio is not the best and I need to fix it and I will fix it. For everyone who's in on this trade with me as well, and it's testing you as much as it's testing me, fair play to you for holding your nerve. You got to speculate to accumulate in a situation like this.
This is Claire.
Hi.
She is a HelloFresh subscriber.
I sure am.
Today, she's making bow buns.
Yeah, so I saw this on the menu this week, and I figured that HelloFresh's instructions are so simple and easy to follow that even though I've never tried making anything like this before, I think I can do it.
She likes HelloFresh because it's easy.
Sure, that's one of the reasons, but there are more than that.
Do tell.
Well, for example, I like the fact that the pricing is really reliable. So every week I know exactly how much to budget for, and if there's ever any week that I'm feeling I'd like a little bit extra, I can add optional add-ons like garlic bread, for example. I also like that all of the produce is sourced locally, so it's farm to table in less than a week. And also they give you exactly how much you need right down to the sauce portions. So there isn't any food waste.
Wow.
I know. How good is that?
Pretty good.
Yeah. I think you should sign up.
So you would recommend it?
Yeah, I think you should go to the HelloFresh website and sign up or download their app. Because honestly, I can't recommend it enough.
It does sound good.
It's so good. And don't forget, step-by-step instructions, making it so easy to make. I cannot recommend it enough. I think you should sign up. That's all I'm saying. I think you should go to the HelloFresh website or download their app today and sign up. That's all I'm
Oh
saying.
wow, what is this going on? Sorry guys. Yeah, so I'm in the DAX as well. I'm in the DAX as well, guys, which I entered last night. 15 minutes. Yeah, we need this hour to keep closing strongly bearish, to be honest, guys. Right, where was we? The DAX, the German 40. Yeah, I'm in this trade. Could have got my second buy entry down here. That was my original entry, wasn't it? I took the flipping order out on my recording for part 4 last night. Livid. But yeah, I went to another buy at some point. So I'll have 2 positions in the German 40. But yeah, my bias is for this to keep going up. My target, sensible target, is to keep climbing to break these highs, basically. Break these highs is my first target, and then see how we react. Obviously, from a higher time frame perspective, we have a lot of potential, a lot of opportunity. Just a lot of potential, guys. To be honest, just to continue going up in this range that we're in, and then we'll see how price reacts when we get up to supply, up to real good supply. So what I'll do, I'll just tidy this up a little bit. Yeah, so let's highlight some potential speed bumps and blocks on the road. So hopefully this could be creating some form of 4-hour demand. Basically, if this next 4-hour candle was bullish up here, then you could comfortably say that this is new 4-hour demand. So that's good. And look at the structure. We're sort of getting higher every time as well, which is good. So this is basically 4-hour demand now. Basically 4-hour demand. There is supply here, but I wouldn't really mark it. Because this could act as a few things really. It could act more as like resistance, more so than like, the resistance would be its hitting supply, but the main area I would be focused on would be this one, which it's nearly hitting anyway. So price is going to do a little bit of dancing up around this top area. So we just need to bear in mind with that. And then obviously as we go up, the supply is there, but it's few and far between. So yeah, that's the DAX, guys, and we're looking groovy. So yeah, my first entry was about here, wasn't it, give or take, and my stop loss is there. My first target is basically the top of this supply. There it is. Yeah, it's getting higher and higher. So I would expect the DAX to continue going up. 11 minutes. We need you to finish a bit more red than this. Still trying to fill this gap to the downside. I want to say I think we're topping now. I think we're topping. I don't feel we're going to break these highs. I know we do have news, but might have just a wick up here, but I don't think it's going to be as violent as what people's expecting. So I hope not anyway. Broken lows on the 1 minute as well. Broken these lows, broke that low. Starting the downward movement now on the 1 minute. Like my old scalping days. Look at the structure. Nine minutes of bearishness in this 15-minute now, guys. Take us down here at least. We'll be looking groovy. Set for news then. We'll be hopefully where I want to get positioned for news. I want price. I would like price to be around this area for news, because then we've got, you know, a nice bit of wriggle room to the upside. Here is okay. Here is okay. We've still got wriggle room, but I'd rather down here with wriggle room. It's getting some serious pressure behind it. Well, it must have a lot of pressure just sitting on top of it. Just surprised it's just not gone yet. Guys, do you want me to look at anything? Write in the comments. Write in the comments what you want me to look at. If you want me to look at anything for you, trade idea wise, or want me to analyze anything, just fire it over in the comments. Wheat. That's a good point. You've just reminded me. Let's have a look at coffee as well. Coffee still waiting. Cocoa's nice reaction. Sorry, wheat. Yeah, wheat. We got a re-entry on the way. Yeah. Obviously, you all know where the re-entry is. Down around here somewhere. Like that. This is so frustrating, this trade, guys. I'm not going to lie. You need this to close bearish 5 minutes.
What I admire most about Grammarly is that
This needs to finish bearish, preferably a little bit stronger than what it is at the moment. Skip. Dun, dun. There is some scrapping going on here, isn't there? Hey, Lucy. Hi, son. I wish I never got in this New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen trade now, guys. Yeah, I regret getting in this. If I can get this gap fill and get the profit, then tick in the box. Thank you, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Thank you for your time, but I will not be trading you again, unfortunately, because this is horrendous. Monday. I've been in this since Monday. Up and down, up and down. It's just, we're at such a crucial point where I don't want to be positioned here with what news is coming. I'm being minus how much? Minus 67 quid. Minus 67 quid, guys. It's not, for where we are at the moment, is not the end of the world, but with news, the spread, and just, yeah, I want to be a bit further away from where we are. Like I said, we got, gap here and a big gap here from last night. What is price doing up here again? Lesson learned with this one, guys. Just hope the build account's going to be there to tell the tale from it. If it didn't have such a big gap, I wouldn't have taken the risk I took with this. I weren't expecting it to dance around as much as what we are, to be honest with you. But hey ho. Price is definitely creating fear for people, without a shadow of a doubt. Without a shadow of a doubt. And what's annoying is the thing I find frustrating is the US dollar news is going to affect this pair as bad as like a US dollar pair, and I don't. That's extremely annoying because the news could really screw this up with spreads. Yeah, got half an hour to get a bit more of a safety barrier. Come on. We're minus £50 on the build account, guys. The reason as well I entered two more cells up here. I entered the two more cells up here to counteract the. Basically, I've got sell positions there, 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 and then like there and there. So I entered these two cells to counteract these two cells down here. So I would even it out. And it's working. I just need price to continue dropping. I love this tune, you know. What's your point of views? What do you reckon news is going to do to the dollar, guys? To the US dollar? What the yeah, I mean we still need to fill that gap on the US dollar as well. Remember, it's tried to fill it already, but it hasn't succeeded, which is also making me a bit skeptical. That is an absolute banger of a track. Not going to lie.
Sometimes it's not time for some tombola. It's enjoying lasagna time.
Dun,
Or
dun.
time to visit.
I need to get a proper audio system, microphone and everything. Oh, Mike, man, I'm glad you're here. Yeah, in it just. It's testing like every ounce of our soul, this. Like, if it does eventually go in our favour, I'm not being funny, mate. We deserve it. You know? Absolutely testing everything about us. And I don't like where we're parking up to with news coming. I feel like it's, yeah, I don't know. Well, we're not going higher. This is almost wanting to explode and it down, but I've been saying that since Monday, and look where we are. I think this is manipulation, guys. My honest opinion, I think this is prices being manipulated here because they know there's a gap, and they know that, you know, people will see the gap and they know that they can make money on it, so they're going to manipulate it as best they can before they fill it. That's probably what the crack is with this now. And yeah, it's annoying to say the least, but it is what it is. Like I said, guys, we have got no gaps to the upside anymore now. All 1 minute, 5 minute gaps to the upside are now filled. However, we do still have a gap here. We have a big gap here from last night still. And then obviously we have Big Mama all the way down the bottom here. We just need to get there. And it's taking its sweet ass time doing it, which is annoying. But hey ho. Yeah. As we are, guys, to be honest, like as we stand here, I'm minus £52. So that one's too whistling. Big Euro news as well, isn't there? In about 5 minutes' time, so. I think this Euro news at quarter past is going to do something to this market, you know, as well. Want me to look at anything, guys? Anyone been up to much today? Let's get a little chat going on. What's everyone been doing? Be interested to see if this red euro news does something to impact this, you know. The DAX is running in profit, guys. We're in profit on the DAX, £7.62p on the DAX, which is good. Even better if we get a follow through here. Mike, if you're still here, it's going to be so much sweeter when we hit our TP, dude. I was thinking about, like, see if we fill the gap, the big gap to the downside and leave it continuing, but no, not after the last 2 days. Hit my TP, that's me out of this trade. See you later. £8 profit on the DAX, guys. Yeah, that's exactly right, mate. You got stop loss. I'll be rebuilding from like a £300 account then, if we hit stop loss, which will be very fun indeed, but we will do it. This is a challenge that I will follow through with, like 500 to 5,000 for sure. I will do this. I will do this live for everyone. 100%. How long it will take, I don't know. I don't really want to rush it. I want to chill out. I just really did not anticipate on this particular trade dancing around for 4 days on the dot. So,
tried to sell his car privately.
But yeah, it's all part of trading, guys. It's a good learning curve, all of this, for everybody. It's a good learning curve. We'll see if this Euro news affects the trade. £9, nearly £10 profit on that DAX trade, guys. Should we have a look at the Euro USD, see if that's doing anything? Nothing. Dropping. Guys, quite important really. All the New Zealand dollar pairs are more or less doing the same thing, same price action. Interesting. Well, that news didn't do anything. Nearly back in profit, guys. I'm only minus £27 at the moment. Mr. Dax is up to £9.33. The account is up to we're at 5, rolling at £537 profit. We're in profit now. Lovely. Long may it now last, please. Because I don't know how much more of this I can take. I am only joking, but I want to get this account up and running. So next week we're rocking and rolling. Rocking and rolling, baby. Let's go. Fill these gaps. We are in profit. Let's go. This is it, Mikey, baby. We're on the right side, I think, now. I don't think we're going any higher now. I know I said that last night, but come on. Let's go. Why is it whenever we get good follow through, we then reject harsh? Fill gap, fill gap. Well, like, have a look. Yeah, Lulian, you've seen this, haven't you? You seen that, didn't you? Oh, Leon, thank you, mate. This is a journey that just tests everybody's limits, guys. Like, you know, I got a lot of stuff I've got to live for, guys. I got a young family and that, and that's what keeps me going to try and be successful in this industry. To be able to just, when my kids are older, I just want them to be, you know, they don't have to worry about anything. They don't have to go through the worries that I had to go through as a young person. Like, I won't give them everything. I'm not going to give them everything. They need to know what it's like to work and what it's like to earn money, but I'll give them a massive safety net that they'll never have to worry about anything. That's my long-term vision in this, and to help people along the way, and hope to get people to my stage, to where I am. And guys, like, I'm still learning myself, mind. Do you know what I mean? I've been doing this a long time now, but I'm still learning myself as well. So I've got a lot of experience, but I'm learning every day as well. So yeah, good luck to you all.
Sky Vegas. Get 50 seriously free spins when you join. 200 more when you
Sorry about the adverts.
No wagering required. What you win is
But yeah, having a family and having children, having kids gives you so much purpose in life. Like even my group now, guys, like even my group, my Discord, even my YouTube now, it gives me even more purpose. Do you know what I mean? Like before, when I went trading full time, I didn't really have any purpose. I was, just bored on my own, just doing stuff, playing PlayStation and whatnot. But it's different now. Something now is different. And yeah, like I've got purpose. I've got my family to try and support, and I've got you guys to try and help and keep me on my toes. And trust me, the Discord, I know there's only like 70 people in there, but it keeps me busy. Like the messages and everything, try and keep on top of everything and that. But everything's getting there, guys. I like to think that we're building a bit of an empire here, to be honest. I really would. It's what my vision is. Build something really decent and open and transparent. Oh, finally, we're getting some downward movement. Looking to fill this first gap. £74 profit, guys. Well, I'm going to have a fag because I need a fag. And this trade has stressed me out enough as it is this week. Some of the select few tracks in this mix is really good, but others just, yeah. Do you know one thing, guys, right? One thing I wish I found me 5 years ago. Like I get a lot of people, talk to me, follow me that have no idea of trading, have no idea at all. And I wish I I wish I had, found myself all these years ago. Yeah, no, thanks, Sean. Like, it's not easy, mate. I appreciate how difficult everything is. Like, life is just difficult. It really is difficult. I appreciate it. Just gives you more fuel and more drive and fire to keep going. Yeah, sounds good, Sean. Hope it's going all right, mate. I'll have a look quick actually at Bitcoin. I looked at Bitcoin. Yeah, man. God, look at that. Yeah, so basically, guys, just be a bit mindful now with Bitcoin. Like, if you're in good, real decent profit, guys, from down these levels, then happy days, pat on the back. As you can see, we're sort of coming to our first hurdle now, which is this first bit of 4-hourly supply, which is base drop. So just bear that in mind, basically. If you're happy with your profit, guys, then pull it out. If you want to hold it and see how price reacts over the rest of the afternoon and see if we can break supply, then by all means do that. But just, have your stop loss sort of like here roughly, give or take. All right. Oh, yes, we're still going down. Yes. Just going to go and have a quick cigarette, guys. I'll be back in 2 minutes.
world of princesses. A world of villains. And heroes.
Book selected packages and enjoy free dining and drinks. And save £100 per booking. Book by the 5th of November at disneypackages.co.uk.
We're back. Series 2. Who would have thought it, eh?
And there's always something new happening.
I'm going to go and play with the big boys.
If anybody could switch off the teenager.
Dirty washing from holiday.
I'd be an idiot not to listen to your advice.
Got that on tape.
Guys, if we if we finally break these lows on the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, I'm going to streak off and run around my estate shouting yay. Finally. Come on. Oh, just we would like this just to keep on going now. Come on. Still got more gaps to fill, guys. We're at 80 back up to £85 profit, guys. Nice, Sean, at 1.75 up 1.75%. Nice, man. Three minutes till news. I'm going to go make another cup of tea. Love a cup of tea. So gap number one has been filled, guys. We got two more gaps to fill. Filled the first one. Don't mean you can stop there now, Price. Keep going. Mine and Artemis's Head and Shoulders wants to get filled. Please.
See, now this is what I call art. Strong work. Strong.
"20 seconds, guys, until the fireworks." And yeah, I think they're going to be some pretty major fireworks. So hold your horses, guys. This is going to be very, very, very volatile, I think. I'm not looking at Trading View at the minute, guys. I'm on C Trader. Let's drop now. Come on. This is crazy. Oh, I love it. Don't go back up. You want to go down. Come on. Still in profit, guys. Fluctuating like mad, but we are still in profit. Let's have a look at gold and the US dollar. US dollar strength. Gold's going. Rocketing. Euro USD. Oh, wow. So, like the price action on this now, guys, you know, we've taken the highs, we've taken the liquidity that was potentially sat up here. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, we need to just continue dropping now. Like, there's no reason for this to go up. This needs to just, you know, fill this gap and continue. So, fun. How'd you all get on with the news? All okay? All good? All good with the news, guys? Let's drop now. Japanese yen. Still got such a gap to fill. Old Daxy Waxy still hanging in there. Let's have a look at the old gal. Nice. I'm going to use this opportunity as getting another buy position in on the... I don't know. Could pull back deeper into my original entry. Yeah, just wait a minute for the DAX, guys. Guys, I'm going to enter another buy position on the DAX. My second position on the DAX. I'm going to do it now. I'll do it on my phone. I'll do it now. Nice pullback. Still only a small one again. Only a small position. It'll be 0.2. Done. Bang. So second position on the DAX has just been entered, guys. And that will be me now. That'll be me now. No more entries on the DAX. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, you need to just drop. So we've interesting filled that gap. We just need to fill this gap. And what I'm seeing, guys, when we which I expect a few of you are seeing because you know we speak a lot, is basically when we do feel this gap here, we're very, very likely to break these lows to continue going down. So I would definitely say that the downward turn is now going to come on the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, guys. We're at £57 profit in the account, 600 quid rolling. Anybody suggest any songs, any mixes or anything? I don't know. Let's. I would love to put my genre of music on as a mix, but none of you will like it. It's trance music. I know. Trance. Not many people like trance music. Right. What was I doing? Nice to see the follow through now, guys. This is a tune.
Call me what you wanna, I'll be what you wanna. I've been here 1,000 times. Hey, hey,
Mike, mate, we deserve this. Yeah, man. Yeah, mate. I mean, like you said earlier on to me, they're just creating fear. I'm just so surprised it's not filled the gap already, man. Just don't get it. In my heart. Yeah, I don't get it. Ha! Have you listened to this song, Mike? Does this ring any bells? MJ, you're playing with my heart.
So tell me if you wanna, cause I got this feeling. I wanna hear you say it, cause I can't believe it. With every touch of you, it's like I've started dreaming. Guess heaven's not that far away.
DAX is going nice, guys. My second position on the DAX is up and running. The account is at profit at the moment, which is good. Oh, Mike, I know. Yeah, I know, and I agree with you. It just doesn't make sense, does it? I noticed that as well. Every other gap is being filled other than this gap. I know.
A steal. Prices up a smidge. Just 100 quid a meal.
Let's go then, Mike. Let's go. We're dropping. Finally, we're dropping. We need to go to the second gap now and just continue. Just continue.
You
Come on. We deserve this. We've been waiting for this since Monday. Joys of swing trading, guys. Let's go. We are flipping. Just come on. DAX. We are in profit on the DAX. The account. We have an account to build. Come on. Second gap incoming. And then finally for Big Bertha. Big Mama's house too. At the bottom. I almost feel like we need to go get a cheap bottle of champagne. I'm going to smash the bottle of champagne over my head if we continue dropping. I'm not really. I'm joking about that, but I'm not joking about getting the bottle of champagne to smash open to celebrate. Come on, let's keep going. £130 profit, guys.
Same old empty feeling in your heart. This love comes slow and it goes so fast. When you see her when you fall asleep, but never to touch and never to keep, cause you loved her too much and you dive too deep.
When I do eventually get out of this New Zealand dollar Japanese yen trade, I will be waiting again for my next big trade. I'll be waiting. I'll be chilling on the account, get my psychology back right, and then we go again, guys. We go again.
I was getting kinda used to being so in love. I'm going up. I can't. No, Valentine. They said.
Come on, Albert. Do you know what? Sam Smith, his the way he dresses is a little bit out there, but you can't knock the bloke. He has got one hell of a voice, mind. He's done off, put out some banging music.
I wasn't even going out tonight, but boy, I need to get you off of my mind. I know exactly what I have to do. I don't wanna be alone tonight, alone tonight, alone tonight. Look what you made me do. I was somebody new. Oh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Look what you made me do. I was somebody new. Oh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Dancing with a stranger. Dancing with a stranger. Look what you made me do. I'm somebody. Ooh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Look what you made me do. I'm somebody new. Ooh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. I'm dancing, I'm dancing. Maybe I'm foolish, maybe I'm blind, thinking I can see through this and see what's behind. Got no way to prove it, so maybe I'm lying.
Yo, I'm back. What's going on here then? Why are you still pushing down? Come on. Stop being annoying. Still up in profit, guys. We are still in profit. Give it another 2 o'clock, guys. We'll be done. We'll be going, all right? 2 o'clock.
The ultimate. In a world of less.
This is a tune. I'll put this one on, guys.
Everyone to expect more.
Well, get on with this.
Okay, Roy. How about rolling your spare data?
This is hell of a tune. I do like my music and trading. It'll send you into a different world. Takes you away. The only thing as well, Mike, if you are still here watching, we've broken. Hang on. We've broken this low now on a 5 minute. So, in case I look at structure a ridiculous amount, guys. It's all I do is look at structure. All this structure on different time frames. Broken this low now on a 5 minute. So, we're not going to get back up here. We'll continue dropping. Still got another big gap to fill. Still got another big gap to fill, which is this one down here. This is from last night, the low of last night. These gaps. So that still needs to be filled, and I would like to think when we do get here, we'll continue pushing lower without a shadow of a doubt. Keep pushing. I think this will keep pushing all afternoon now, Mike. I'm confident. The dollar's been very... Here we go. So we're getting the gap fill now on the dollar, guys, hopefully as well. So dollar weakness, which I said, fill that gap, boom, boom, bang. Yeah, cool. See, to show you what it means to be human. Means to be human. Hi, Andrea. You all right, mate? We're we're still in our NJ shorts. We're still being messed around, but I've entered my second position on the Nasdaq. My goal is to just continue building this account. Just continue building. My initial goal was to show people that you don't need a prop firm to be able to trade. Like I'll put that back on in a sec. I'm talking in a minute. My goal is to just to basically show people that you can trade with your own money from a small amount of money. You don't need tens of thousands. Obviously, thousands it helps. Don't get me wrong. If you start with a £10,000 account and you're consistent and you're profitable and you're disciplined, then that is a heck of a good start to be starting trading from. Even a £5,000 account is an extremely good starting point. But yeah, I wanted to just do this series, £500 to £5,000, to see I thought it'd be good for people to come along, to follow it along. It's also something that I've never seen anybody do before. I've never physically seen someone flip £500 to £5,000 and recorded everything live. I've never seen that before. It's trying to set a new benchmark. That's what I'm trying to do. There's a lot of fake people out there, and I almost feel like they're flooding the industry too much with prop firms, and it sort of takes you off of your path a little bit as well, because you think how many times you buy an FTMO account, £100,000 FTMO account at £400 a time, you fell 3-4 FTMO accounts on the trot. That's £1,200 that you've wasted trying to get an FTMO account. So I've always had the mindset of, I've always got the mindset of basically, I've always wanted to just trade my own money. I have traded for FTMO. I've traded for FTMO for about 6-7 months. But if I make money in the markets, I want the money. Do you know what I mean? I want the money. I don't want to have to wait. I don't want to have to, wait for the withdrawal process and wait for FTMO to then, send the money over. If I make a withdrawal, I want it in my bank tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. And that's what my broker does. I can make a withdrawal at 4 o'clock today and the money will be in my bank by tomorrow morning. Do you know what I mean? And I won't get any silly emails from my brokerage saying, oh, you've broken a rule. You've invalidated your account. We're going to have to take your account. Oh, okay. So I got to pay another 450 quid to buy another account then, have I? Yeah, you have. Yeah. Oh, okay. Now I'm all right, mate. Yeah, I'm expecting that as well, Mike. But yeah, that's all it is, Eric. I'm just trying to do it and set a benchmark, a different benchmark in the trading world. I want to be known for someone who done things the right way. I want to be known for being shown transparency. Do you know what I mean? And I think the £500 to £5,000 challenge is a good way to get yourself out there as well. But it's not easy. Nothing in life is easy. If it was, then it wouldn't be worth doing, would it? And the thing is as well, like, what you see is what you get. I don't hide behind no fame, I don't hide behind anything. I'm just out there. DAX trade's going well, guys. Got £21 profit running on that one now. So my second entry, guys, I'll get rid of the green box. You all know that I'm in this trade. My second entry was the bottom of this wick. So my first entry is down here, my second entry is here. So, yeah. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, Mike, if we do get a doji, if this closes, down here, be good. We do need to get some follow through because we've still got gaps that need filling to the downside. And like you pointed out earlier on, every other gap on the FX market's been filled other than this pair here. It's like the market makers are watching my streams and are watching my series and be like, yeah, nah, mate, we're not going to let you fill that gap. It'll be too easy. But yeah, this is also the joys of swing trading as well, guys. Unfortunately, this is what swing trading is all about: in profit, in drawdown, in profit, in drawdown. I just don't trust this move up. I do not trust it. It just doesn't sit right with me. We filled that gap. Any gaps created on this push up? Yeah, here. So. Back to minus £64, guys. So the account's at 480.90 quid. These retail traders need to just, I am going to invest in a microphone and some I am going to invest in some stuff that will make the audio and sound better for these lives, guys. Take a look at the British pound New Zealand dollar on the 4 hour. Yeah, right. New Zealand British pound. First glance. First glance, yeah, momentum to the upside, big pullback, continuation, like this, sort of up, pullback, potential continuation. We've not really reacted off of anything in here. We've not really reacted off anything in here. We mark this 4 hour supply, and it's breached, it's broke, so I wouldn't take a buy position yet, or a sell position for that matter. Your next levels are down there. Yeah. So there's a shitload of demand, It's just timing it right, Eric. But yeah, I would have. What was you thinking? Let me just slightly. Yeah. Right. Slightly below us. Yeah, mate. Yeah. In that case, yeah, you're 100% right. There is this zone, yeah, just below us. So, good spot, and that would be a great long. That would be a good long idea.
20 hot wings bucket, $7.99. Get the deal, believe in chicken.
That's a great trade idea, Shivu. Eric. That is a great trade idea. You know, cover your stop loss below the wicks of this demand. That is a great trade idea, Eric, because I'll explain. This is going to be classed as a flip level as well, and a complete untouched 4-hour flip level. So, yeah, good spot, Eric. Very good spot. British pound, New Zealand dollar. Keep an eye on that. Let me there you go. It's in the watch list, Eric. We'll keep an eye on it. Let's have a look at coffee. Coffee's on its way up, getting into position. Coffee is getting itself into position. I don't know what any of this music is. It's just having a mad 5 minutes now. DAX trade, guys, is going really well. Glad I entered my other buy position on the DAX. DAX is flying. We're going to be breaking these highs now on the DAX, guys, which is good. Let's keep going, Daxy. Daxy waxy. So this is the trade that we are all in. Well, there's a few people in it that's following it. I'm in it. Yeah, man. Right up there. Just want the Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar to keep dropping, but we've stalled and we're going back up again. Hopefully, I mean, yeah, to be fair, guys, we do have to create a top wick on the 4-hour, but come on now. Honestly, look, just look, price, just put your binoculars on and look at this gap. It's been there since Monday. Fill it already. Please. Come on. Yeah, British pound, New Zealand dollar, Eric. Keep reminding me of that one, mate, over the next couple of days. Remind me tomorrow where we are in that, all right? Because I'll forget about it. So yeah, just need a gentle reminder. Mike, I'm never going to trade this flipping pair again after this. If we can pull our profit out, fill in this gap, I am deleting New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen off of the watch list. Deleting it, screwing it up. I'm going to put it in a missile and shoot it far, far away. Yeah, it's a bit like it, isn't it? This is now the turning point. You know, guys, this is trading. This this is as raw as it gets, as real as it gets with training, guys. Do you know what I mean? And this is the beauty of it. It's the market timing. It's timing the market. That is the hardest part of the game. You know, we can mark supply and demand. Let's just turn this tune off because it's a little bit too techno-y for 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah. This is the joy of trading. It's nice that the DAX is going well, guys. I will just have a little... Guys, should we stay live all afternoon and just chill, listen to music and just chill and just talk? Should we do that? Just chill out here, stay live, talk about how demoralizing this New Zealand dollar Japanese yen trade is. Yeah, let's do that. Need some new music. I know we've already listened to this track, guys, but I'm going to put it back on again because I really like this track. In fact, I don't like it. I love it. It's just got a nice vibe to it. Like walking on a beach in Ibiza with a can of beer, half cut, with the sunset going down or something. It's just chilled, isn't it? Lovely jubbly, guys. We're only minus £24. It counts at 519. You know, I said in my last video that was it yesterday, my longest drawdown was last year, and yeah, that was on 100 grand FTMO account. So that wasn't really the end of the world, but yeah, that was 2 weeks. So we're getting there with this one. If I'm still in drawdown on the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen by this time next week, yeah, good question. Villian, are you still here, buddy? Are you still here? He's a digital guy. He's really good at what he does. I think our Head and Shoulders is still going to be completed. Yeah. Such a good tune. Yeah. Yeah, mate.
Sometimes it's not time for some tombola. It's enjoying lasagna time. Or time to visit.
Yeah, it's definitely ready, mate. That's for sure.
I took a pill in Ibiza to show Avicii I was cool. And when I finally got sober, felt 10 years older. But if
Needs to go now, really.
I'm living out in LA. I drive a sports car just to prove I'm a real big baller, cause I made $1 million and I spend it on girls and shoes. But you don't wanna be high like me, never really know a ride like me. You don't ever wanna step off the roller coaster and fall alone. And you don't wanna ride the bus like this, never know who to trust like this. You don't wanna be stuck up on that stage, stuck up on that stage singing. Ooh, I know, sad soul. Sad soul, running sad soul, sad soul. Who already blew his shot? I get along with old timers, doing names, a reminder of a pop song, people forgot. And I can't keep a girl from home, cause as soon as the sun comes up, I cut them all loose and it works like soups. But the truth is I can't open up. And you don't wanna be high like me, never really go by like me. You don't ever wanna step off that roller coaster and fall alone. And you don't wanna ride the bus like this, never know who to trust like this. You don't wanna be stuck up on that stage, stuck up on that stage. Ooh, I know, sad soul, sad soul, darling. Ooh, I know, sad soul, sad soul.
Right, come on. You need to drop now, man. What are you doing? I'll give JP Morgan a ring. I'll ring up the institutions. Hey up, lads. I don't suppose you could sell a load of New Zealand dollar against Japanese yen by any chance, could you? Because I've been in dancing in drawdown for the last week. Thank you. Speak soon. 1,000 times. We have been here 1,000 times. I have to make another cup of tea at this rate. This is, do you know what though, Mike, mate? This is great for the account build. For this to be doing this and draw down and price up and down, you know, this is good because it just makes it more challenging and more fun. Gonna do some streaming, some gaming streaming as well, guys. Gonna try and suss out how we do that. But yeah, I'm gonna do streaming, gaming as well. Have we got news again today? 3 o'clock. Just natural gas storage, 30-year bond. That's it. And then tomorrow we just got consumer sentiment. Donald Trump hasn't made any surprise announcements, has he? No. Yeah, just 3:30 we got natural gas storage, but it's not red news. So the yellow. So yeah, happy day. Yeah. I really just don't get this. Mine is 82 pound at the minute, the way this is going.
Dinner time with kids doesn't have to be stressful. This makes it so much easier. Between work, school runs, and everything else, dinner used to feel like another chore. But I wanted...
that we can stop now. A quarter time can almost go on. Pretending we're in love, but it's never enough. I wish we could take it back in time. Before we cross the line, now, we see storms closing in.
Can't find it. Here we go. Oh, no. Oh, no, where's it gone? The devil. Yeah, it's really surprising, isn't it, this, Mike? I know. It is what it is. I'd just rather it just drop down a little bit more, to be honest with you. But I'm glad we're going through it all together, guys. £66 minus, so the account's at £470 at the moment as we speak. Two seconds, I need to go on my phone now. Dun, dun, dun. I might do part 5 of this account tonight, later this afternoon. Yeah, I think I will. It's one of them, once I get the idea in my head, I have to do these things. I've got to do it. I'm one of them. Once I've got something that just comes in my head, I've got to do it. So I reckon part 5 coming this evening, coming later on this afternoon. We'll stay live though, guys. We will stay live. I know there's only a few of us in here, but we're chilling. We're chilling, and that's what it's all about. I don't trade with a prop firm, Eric. I trade my personal account, mate. Personal funds. But if I had my choice, if I went back to prop trading, then it would be FTMO. Hands down FTMO. Without a shadow of a doubt. I had a prop firm actually approach me 2 weeks ago asking for a partnership. This prop firm was asking if I could get them clients, and I didn't. I said, didn't really want to do it. It didn't feel right. Didn't feel right. I didn't really, didn't have that gut instinct. Just trying to find some more music, guys. And then I'm going to make another cup of tea because I love cup of teas. New song required. Dun, 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 dun. This is a real old school track, guys, right? This song I'm going to put on is not everybody's cup of tea, but it's a really chilled out vibe. It's proper old. It's like 30 years old, this song. I remember listening to it as a kid on the radio in the car. It came on the radio in the car. And I literally only found the song 8 years ago. And it's called Enigma. Enigma Sadness. And it's just such a nice vibe. It's just a cool track. like proper relaxing. It's not everyone's cup of tea, but yeah, I love it. You probably won't be able to hear it. It's a bit too quiet. Hang on. Proper chilled out vibe, this, guys. Or just type in on YouTube Enigma Sadness and listen to it like your ends. I'm 32, Eric. I'll tell you a bit of a story. So, I first got into trading. When I was 20. Nah, probably a bit younger than that. 20, 21. I just come out of the army, and I was like, I don't know what to do. So I thought, yeah. I went and dug the roads for a little bit. Went and dug the roads and fitted water mains and done stuff like that. And then I thought, I don't really want to do this for very long. And then I got involved with trading. I had a friend. This is back when I had Facebook. I haven't got Facebook anymore. But I had a friend on my Facebook account. He was called Cornelius Danker. We're going back 12 years ago. He was called Cornelius Danker. And he was from Singapore or Hong Kong. And he would always put pictures. I don't even know how I became friends with him on Facebook. But anyway, he used to put pictures up of him shopping in Harrods. He was always shopping in Harrods in London. He was taking pictures of suits that he's just bought, taking pictures of receipts. And he was spending £30,000-40,000 a time in Harrods. He would just fly over to London to shop in Harrods and then go home. He would stay in the Ritz for like a night or two, then go back home. So I messaged him and I was like, mate, what do you do? How do you make so much money? And he was like, my dad's a Forex trader. My dad trades Forex and he taught me. And I was like, well, what the hell's that? So we had a bit of a conversation. And I remember it was over Facebook Messenger. He used to send me screenshots of, these charts with MACDs on it, with trend lines, with horizontal lines, with everything on it. And I remember just looking at these pictures like, what the hell am I looking at here? What am I looking at? And he was like, you'll buy here, bro, you sell here, bro. And I was like, mate, I don't even know what I'm looking at. So then I got interested. I could not read a single thing. I got interested in it. And then you can Google this now, guys. Google this now. Then I bought a course, it was 200 quid. It was either 200 quid or 250 quid. And the course, it was from two Australian Forex traders. Well, they were gurus. They were just scammers. But they had a company called Infinite Prosperity. We're going back over 10 years now, mind. And Infinite Prosperity, it was £200. And they were basically, it was called like one of their strategies. It's laughable now. Like you can laugh about it. It was called like the Australian Boomerang. It was something ridiculous. Like they would have a chart. Like I'm just going to pick any chart, for instance, just to try and show you an example of the Australian Boomerang that they used to swear blind by. This is the ultimate strategy. We're going back over 10 years. It's kind of hard to remember really, but it was basically, they used to have like trend lines sort of like this, sort of like that. And then they were, they were basically, yeah, that would be called the Australian Boomerang. But yeah, Google this company, guys. You like all of what I'm saying is gospel truth. That did happen. I did do all that sort of stuff. That's what I mean. I talk from so much experience, guys, because I've honestly been and done it. Got the t-shirt across God knows what. You know what I mean? And yeah, Amy Sangster, Sangster, I think she was called. But yeah, she had pictures of Lamborghinis, massive mansions in Australia. It was her and her boyfriend or something. And yeah, I don't really know what happened. She's a supermodel now over in America. She was pretty nice, to be fair. But yeah, she's like a supermodel now in America. But yeah, that's where it all started from. But obviously, I was still young. I was 20, 21. And I was a bit of a party animal back in the day. Not going to lie. I like to have a party. So I forgot all about trading, forgot all about it, went out, wasted all my money, getting with girls and all that jazz. And yeah, I got back into trading like 6-7 years ago and really applied myself and just taught everything I know now. Pretty much. So yeah, quite interesting. Honestly, I got so many stories, guys. So many stories. It's awesome. Like, you got to be interesting as well. And we could have some serious conversations. Yeah, for sure. But anyway, that's enough talking. I'm going to make a cup of tea. Well, I'll put a song on that we all like. If you don't all like this, then there's something wrong with you. Might be a little bit too hard, but we'll give it a go. So the long and short of it is, guys, yeah, I've been around the Mulberry Bush a million and one times. Yeah, I've been in the signals groups. I've been in the fake groups. You know, I've been and done it and got the t-shirt. This is an absolute banger of a tune, this.
It starts with
I don't know why. It doesn't matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I just wanted to explain it due time.
And then what changes a lot of people, guys, like, you have to really apply yourself. You have to apply yourself. And what changes a lot of people is family. The most important thing on this planet. Banging track this is, but it's a little bit too hard. Guys, I don't know what music to put on, and I don't want to keep talking every 2 seconds because there's a lot to talk about. Music. Yeah, mate. Guys, do you remember on my other live the other day I was talking about basically FX Alex, right? He come around the same era as Raul, Alex Gonzalez, I think he's called. Which is Raul. Basically, him, FX Alex, Raul, and Daniel Savage, they were all around the same sort of era, but it's all been exposed. Like Daniel Savage. He done his own YouTube like literally a few days ago, telling everyone that he scammed everyone, that he wasn't a trader, everything was rented. Everything was rented, and yeah, he came clean about it. But yeah, I mean, sort of 4 or 5 years ago, guys, this industry, it's still rife now, but it was even worse. Like, to try and find the right people, years ago, it was nigh on impossible because everybody was an apparent Forex trader. Everybody can trade. Everybody can chart and market, you know. But on the flip side, everybody can make a demo account. Everyone can make a demo account. Everybody can screenshot fake results. Anybody can do that. Let's see these people show a live broker, show all their history, do it all live, record about it. Let's see people, let's see these, you know, these good people do that, shall we? These gurus. They wouldn't do it. They've tried to trade, they've given up, and now they thought, I know how we can get money, we'll just scam people. And that's all they do. Like, I'm at a point where I don't, you know, it's nice that I'm building something decent up from my YouTube and stuff, but realistically, I don't have to do any of this. Do you know what I mean? I can still do what I do without everyone knowing about it, if that makes sense. Like, if I was to stop my YouTube and to stop Instagram tomorrow, I'd still crack on. I can still do my thing. Do you know what I mean? And that's the way I've always looked at trading. I've always looked at trading. Yeah, all these signals groups are good, guys. It is good if people want to sell signals and they're pretty good at selling signals. But what happens when one day that one person says, do you know what? I can't be bothered with this anymore. It's too much hassle. Do you know what I mean? And then that's when I thought, yeah, I need to apply myself. And then that's when I taught myself everything I know by just listening and watching people better than me and learning from people better than me. And that's just how I do it. And I want to keep doing this for a long time. Hopefully I want to get my, hopefully want to teach my young'uns. So when I'm a little bit older, then I can be semi-retired and then they can look after their dad. Yeah. May sound all a bit crazy, guys, but do you know what? You've got to have these stupid, crazy dreams. What's the point of not having ridiculous dreams? You got to have dreams, guys, to want to get to places in life, or else you'll just be in the rat race. You'll be in the same thing, doing the same thing for the next 30, 40, 50 years. And do you really want that? Probably not. I know I didn't. I know I don't. Hence why I do what I do. Because I can't think of nothing worse than a boss saying, oh, what time do you call this? You're 5 minutes late for work. Do you know what, mate? You can take your 5 minutes late for work and you can shove it up your ass. I don't care. Don't have to answer to nobody. You don't pay my bills. You're not my boss anymore. So, yeah, that's that really. No, I mean, you got to be a bit humble with it, like you have. I mean, but I just feel like in today's society, people, they make you feel like you owe your company, your bosses, everything. You know, you have to beg them for a day off. You have to beg them for a holiday. You know, you work all these hours God sends to barely pay for your way of life. And yeah, just a bit of insight, a bit of live chat. I'm all about chatting. So, right, what was I doing? Picking another song because I was in the proceeds of making another cup of tea. Don't know what song to put on, guys. Running out of options. Just have to put a mix back on. But yeah, basically, guys, the long story short is trading does work. This industry does work. Trading does work. Unfortunately, it's a very personal journey for everyone. You know, people can teach you supply and demand. People can, you know, advise you on risk management. People can give you set strategies. People can write down bullet points of rules that you have to follow religiously. You know, for me, personally, every time I over risk, like I have done on the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, we all know why I've done what I've done. I've done this because we have such a big gap to fill and I'm just taking advantage of it. But every time I do tend to do this, I do get stung. But every time I stay in my parameters, in my risk tolerance, everything is Gucci, guys. And that is the stage where you need to get to. You need to get to a stage where you can enter a position and you could just kick your phone down the road and smash your phone to pieces, and you wouldn't even care that you can't even look at the chart because your phone's smashed up. Oh, well, my phone's broke. I can't see the chart now. I'm going to have to go get a new phone. 2 days later, you look at the chart and it's like, oh, happy days. Like, that's where you need to be. Don't literally smash your phones up, but that's where you need to be. You need to just be to a point where you just don't really care. And that's me. I don't care. Like, I don't care about anything. I literally do not care about nothing. But yeah, I talk from everything I express to you guys. Everything I speak about is raw experience, definitely. And like, I thought, fucking hell. Oops, probably shouldn't have swore. I thought, like, life is short as well. So you need to take these opportunities with open arms, basically. You get opportunities, you need to just go for it. You don't have doubts. If you have a doubt, then good, go for it. It means you got to go for it. Like, some of the risks I've taken in life is why I'm in the position I'm in. Everything is just, a knock-on effect to get you where you need to be, to get the rewards that, But yeah, that's enough. That's enough of that. Let's I'm gonna finish making my cup of tea and go and have a cigarette, and I will be back, but I need to put some music on. And like what I say is, I don't feel like that people are genuinely that honest in trading either mind. People only show you what they want to show you, but in terms of results, you'll see everybody's big results are £10,000 a trade, 20 grand a trade. You'll never see their losers. You never see them get all defensive when people ask for that. Yay, we got £10 profit. Yippee.
when she's up on the screen and the theater's pitch black. She's always looking right at me. I know she's not coming back. It's just like an old movie. 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 In golden hour, lying next to the sunset, and I'll say I want you. I want you. In golden hour, dancing in my dream sunset, and I see. Dream, I love the view of our city lights. I keep the lights on. I love the view of her silhouette. She waits in gold. I hold the frame and look around. We're so far away. Our home is where I hold her hand. If she's alone, I'll find a way. You in golden hour.
Still going up. Oh, mate. Guys, this is very annoying. I know. Advert. Guys, I'm going to give it another 5 minutes and then we'll probably call it. I'm going to go chill out. And I might do part 5 later. See if I can be bothered. See what we can do. Shall we do part 5 for tonight or tomorrow? Just realised I didn't show the history yesterday on part 4, did I took a loss on coffee. Talking of coffee, let's have a look at coffee because coffee's getting up into our area. Still waiting. It's trying to get up there. Still waiting for this higher zone. Obviously, be prepared, guys. When we do take the short position on coffee up here, do be prepared that we could, well, we probably will go, in around here. So we will be experiencing drawdown if that is the case. Just bear that in mind, all right? Joys of swing trading. No beating around the bush here, guys. Say it how it is. I can't be doing with beating around the bush. Get straight to the point. We know where we all stand. And I'm still putting my hair out with this trade. Globex sessions went all right today. I see, which is good. Everyone getting involved on the old Globex traps, which is nice to see.
Richie and Reese could part exchange their car. Or
Oh, it's good to see, guys. Look, so we will be coming back down. We got several gaps here now. So we will be coming back down. DAX trades flying, guys, up £34 profit in total on that one.
Sky Vegas. Get 50 seriously free spins when you join. And 200 more when you deposit and spend £10. No wagering required. What you win is what you keep. Sky Vegas. Play. It's why we're here.
Cool.
Beautiful day when the rain comes, when love walks away. The sun comes out when you go. Beautiful day when love walks away. When love walks away, pain is all gone. When love walks away, I can move on. Your smile comes back when you go. It's a beautiful day when love walks away. The storm is over. It's a beautiful day. The storm is over. It's a beautiful day. When love walks away, the flowers will bloom. When love walks away, the sun leaves the moon. The birds will sing when you go. It's a beautiful day when love walks away.
Right, guys, I'm going to end it there. We've had a decent conversation today, which is always good. I will do part 5 either later or tomorrow. We're ready to go with it. I'll see how the price is. It would be nice to record it whilst we are in drawdown as well, to be honest. But I've almost looked at the chart a bit too much today. This afternoon. So I'm going to go chill out for a little bit. And see what happens. Cool. Guys, on that one, have a good one, and I'll see you next time. See you later. Cheers.